Alrighty, YouTube, Courtney Truman Steamers. I'm on my third last job of the day, October the 10th. This is one of my repeat clients. They have been using me for about 3 years, and also the mom started using me. Then she referred me to her daughter, and now I'm cleaning the house today. So guys, the point of this video, and again, as you guys see, I have stopped right here. But again, about 70% of the carpets that I clean are well-maintained carpet, and you really can't see a difference. So there's really no point of doing a video, because again, I haven't cleaned this room yet. I haven't cleaned this open area right here yet, and nor have I cleaned the stairs. So I should probably be done in about another hour. But the point of this video, as soon as I got here, Caitlin, she said, Courtney, I'm going to go ahead and pay you and leave. And they always do that. So to all the cleaners that reach out, these are the things I'm going to be helping you how to retain your existing customers. Because a lot of times I see a lot of cleaners that have been in business longer than me, and they're always searching for new customers. And if you've been in business, I'm going to say five years, because about that 1 to 5 years, tops 5 years, especially if you're a small business owner, operator, maybe a 1 or 2 truck operation. As your business, as the years go by, you should notice that more repeats and referrals are coming in. Like today, I did 3 jobs. One was a new customer, which was a referral, and then the other 2 customers, the one I'm doing now and the one I did before here, were both repeat clients. Okay, so as your business builds, you should notice that you shouldn't have to spend as much money on marketing, because now you're able to sustain your business off of repeats and referrals. Okay, and just to show you the reason why you want to do this is because these customers will now trust you without you being here. Now, let me make something clear. Just because they're not here do not mean they're not watching. Okay, just like you guys, just like me, I have cameras on the outside and the inside of my home. Okay, but so you always want to make sure you're taking care of them as if they were here with you. So as you guys see, I'm here by myself. I'm cleaning the carpets. Carpets are coming out amazing. They use me about 3 to 4 times a year. Okay, I did that room, which was her daughter's room. She also told me they're going to have me come back and clean these floors right here, and also those engineered floors. Okay, so I'm going to be cleaning those floors, because what happened is they tried to clean it, I think, with some one of those store-bought products, and it has a buildup on it. So I've already looked at it. So they're going to have me come back and clean both of these floors in the future. But just to show you, so again, I'm here. I've been here for about an hour, probably about another hour to go. And I still do what I'm supposed to do as if they were here. I still put up my corner guards, my floor mat. I still do all the proper necessary steps, pre-vacuum, pre-treat, floor mat. And make sure, guys, that you take care of them, because again, when you build up that trust, when you build up that trust with your clients, I'm telling you, that's what you want. That's what you want in your business. It should be no reason. I'm telling you guys, I see so many cleaners. Been in business 15, 20 years, and they're still chasing new customers. And you know what they're telling me? Usually they're doing something wrong, because when I talk to them, these guys are going through 5 rooms, 45 minutes to an hour. They're done, and they think they're doing something, and they don't realize, no matter if a customer is paying you $10 a room or $50 a room, they still want quality. So that's why it's best to charge the way you should charge, so you can take your time. You don't have to do as many jobs a day, and also you're going to retain your customers and able to sustain and build your business off of repeats and referrals. So that's what I do, guys. Build my business off of repeats and referrals. All right, guys, go ahead and finish up here, and I'll see you guys in the next one.